Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are doing well and hope you all are studying well at your home. Now, this is the last part of video and this is the last part of your chapter actually. Hope the chapter will be clear till the end of the video and you enjoy the lesson. So let us proceed to our class. So in the last class we did solubility, solution, solute, solvent, activity 5, solubility of liquids and activity 6. These were the things we did in the last class, and in today's class we will be doing chemical and physical change. Today there is only one topic left of your chapter, that is chemical change and physical change. So you know that materials around us keep on changing. Whatever is around us, that keeps on changing. Sometimes only the state of materials will change. For example, like if you cut the carrot, yes, the state will only change. The big carrot will turn into a smaller pieces. If you cut the vegetables, it will turn into a smaller pieces. But do you think their molecules will also change? No, carrot will remain carrot only. Yes. And if your ice is melting, you have seen the ice cream melting or the ice melting. So these changes, in this type of changes, the molecules remain the same. Though the molecules of the water, though it may be in the solid state, it may be in the liquid state or in the gaseous state, the molecules of water will remain same only. Their arrangement will be slightly vary because you know that the molecules are compact in they are like closely tightly packed with each other in the state of solid, and they are loosely arranged in the state of liquid and gases, right? So but their molecules of water will remain the molecules of water, it will not change. If you are cutting the carrot, the molecules will remain as same it was before. So changes like chopping of carrot, melting of ice, etc., does not change the material, color, and smell. You know that. If you are cutting the carrot, the the small pieces of carrot will smell differently from the previous pieces? No. So, this type of changes where the chemical properties of the matter remains same. That means if the chemicals inside them or the molecules inside them remain same as they were before, this type of change is called physical change. So examples of physical change: melting of ice, boiling of water, right? Breaking of glass. If a glass is broken, that means the full glass it was previously, the broken pieces of glasses are also same, right? So these type of changes where the chemical properties of the matter remain same or the molecules of the matter remain same, these changes are called physical changes. We are talking about physical changes only in this slide, though it is written physical and chemical changes. First, whatever we are learning, these are physical change in this slide. Clear? So after physical change, there is another type of change, that is chemical changes. So some changes like burning of paper, you can see burning of paper, paper or wood, or cooking of an egg are the changes in which present in them are different from the other before the change occurred. That means when the chemical changes takes place, the chemicals or the molecules inside them, the chemicals, and don't get confused that chemical is different thing and molecule is different thing. So the chemicals and molecules inside them changes. Okay, those chemicals or molecules will not remain as same as the previous one. So these changes are known as chemical changes. Paper burned to produce two new things such as ashes it will produce and smoke it will produce. So after cooking egg also, the previous, you can't change back the cooked egg into the previous one, right? So these are the chemical changes which are always permanent and irreversible. That means it cannot be changed as the previous one. So let us read once what are chemical changes. So the changes in which the molecules present in them are different from the ones before the change occurred. That means there is the change in molecules. The molecules present in ashes, for example, in case of paper, the molecules of ashes and the molecules of paper are different. Okay, such changes are permanent. You know that once you burn the paper, you can't turn paper back into, you can't turn ashes back into the paper. So this type of changes are permanent and this type of changes are irreversible. That means you can't change it back. Reversible means like you can change ice into water, water into ice. That means they are reversible. Irreversible means you can't change ashes and smoke back to the paper. So that is, they are permanent also and they are irreversible. So example, burning of paper and wood, cooking an egg, these are irreversible, these are the example of chemical changes. So let us once again go through the chemical change. The changes in which the molecules present in them are different from the ones before the change occur. Means the changes of ashes are different in case of burning paper. When the paper turned into ashes, the molecules of ashes are different from the molecules of paper. So these type of changes are called chemical changes. These changes are permanent changes and they are irreversible. That means they can't be reversed back into the previous one. Example of chemical changes: burning of paper and wood and cooking an egg. Now assignment for today is, what is difference between physical and chemical changes? You should know, you should be telling me, or you should be writing the difference between physical and chemical changes. So this is the last part of the video. So this ends the chapter also. So thank you children. Hope you all are doing well at your home. Hope you all are studying and hope you all understand the chapter. So if there is any problem with the chapter, you can contact me. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.